I saw a parrot a minute ago, a hook-billed parrot. That was the first two I've seen. I've seen a lot of like lories and things like that, but that was awesome getting to see a hook-billed parrot in its natural habitat, as natural as this is. He was up in this tree, and he finally got tired of me talking to him. He's like, all right, buddy, I got wings. Oh, I hear him. Pretty good. That's definitely a hook-billed parrot. Where'd you go, buddy? These aren't the hookbill. I don't know what they're beautiful. It's like I want to go deeper into the jungle, but I got to get back. There's one. There's one. Where's he going? He's like, ah, that guy's still there. I'm pretty sure they're building a nest in this because there are two of them. I haven't seen any monkeys, but I have seen some kind of weird animal. Marsupial looking thing. What a beautiful place. Wet, but beautiful. Let's see, I might be able to sneak up on some over here. Oh, there they went. They're watching me. They circled right back to where I came from. They're like, let's see how many times we can get this guy to go around the building. Oh, there's those bluebirds. They're like incandescent blue. Probably can't see them on here, but you can hear them. Try to sneak up on these birds again. See, they probably see me in all these reflections in the windows and stuff. Parrots are highly intelligent. Okay, he's back in the tree. So you see that orange flower? It's about 18 inches above that from this perspective, 24 inches. Keep the camera focused on it. I'll zoom in. Spilled coffee all over myself. Alright, I can't see him on the camera. Right there. There's blue. The blue head. That's a different one. Male and female look different. Let's see the second one. Hadn't seen him yet. He's right there. The lighting's horrible. Otherwise I'd get some stuff. There's a little yellow bird over there. Yay! Got to see a hookbill in its natural habitat. Check that off my list. Let's see, blue head, green body, red chest, yellow beak. I'm not sure if it's a macaw, in the macaw family, probably. I'll look it up later. He's tired. He's like, I'm not, dude. He's all puffed up like that so he can dry off faster. And he's going to sleep. Alright, I'll leave you alone, buddy. He's like me, moving around.